Why is it essential to comprehend the process of acid-base titrations? Well, imagine a world where the pH levels in our bodies, the soil in our gardens, or even the water in our oceans aren't regulated. Acid-base titrations are the unsung heroes behind maintaining these balances. Acid-base titrations, in essence, are techniques used to determine the concentration of an unknown acid or base. This process is akin to a well-choreographed dance that occurs in a beaker. Each step is meticulously planned and executed with precision to achieve the desired result. The performance begins with a known solution, a standard solution, which is carefully measured and poured into a beaker. This known solution could either be an acid or a base depending on what is being tested. Next, the unknown solution, which is being measured, is added drop by drop into the beaker with the known solution. This process is not haphazard. It's a deliberate act, like adding a pinch of spice to a simmering pot of soup. Each drop changes the solution's composition until it reaches the point of equilibrium, which is known as the equivalence point. The magic, however, lies in the addition of an indicator. An indicator is a chemical that changes color at different pH levels. It's like a chameleon, morphing and shifting to signal the nearing of the equivalence point. The moment when the indicator changes color is a sight to behold. It signifies the completion of the titration, the point where equal amounts of acid and base have reacted. This change is the grand finale, the denouement of the performance, marking the end of the acid-base titration. To sum up, acid-base titrations are integral to various fields, from medicine to environmental science. They involve a carefully measured dance between a known solution and an unknown one, with an indicator acting as the maestro, signaling the end of the performance. The end of the titration is marked by the change in color of the indicator, signifying that the unknown solution's concentration has been determined. Remember, acid-base titrations are not just laboratory techniques. They are the unsung heroes that help maintain the delicate balance of pH levels in our world. So the next time you enjoy a refreshing swim in the ocean or marvel at the lush greenery in a garden, spare a thought for the intricate process of acid-base titrations that work tirelessly behind the scenes.